Good morning, students. In yesterday's lecture, we have seen how to do the binary subtraction using ones complement method. How to find out ones complement method, or how to find out ones complement of given number. So obtaining ones complement of any number is just changing all ones to zeros and zeros to one. Why it is like that? Means changing zeros to 1 and ones to 0 is nothing but subtracting 1 from that given number. So that is nothing but the finding out ones complement of the given number. So the definition of ones complement you will write at like ones complement of number is obtained by simply complementing. Complementing means replacing each bit of number of that is by changing zeros and 1 and ones to zeros. So replacing means you can call it as complementing. Complement means reversing or making zeros to 1 and ones to zeros. The system is called as a one complement because the number can be subtracted from 1 to obtain a result. So see the example. We have to find out the ones complement of 1010. You can simply replace 1 with 0 or 0 with 1. But ones complement means subtracting 1 from each digit. So we will subtract 1010 from all ones. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is also the same method which we are following, that is replacing 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. So replacing is nothing but complementing, and replacing complementing means we are subtracting 1 from each digit. So this will also give you the ones complement. Otherwise you can follow the method which I have told you in yesterday's lecture. Now here some binary numbers are given, and how to calculate ones complement of this number is given in this chart. So first number is 11010101. So in that number we have replaced all the ones with 0 and zeros with 1. So some numbers are given for your reference. Please go through. Then we have seen the subtraction using ones complement. We have seen some rules for ones complement subtraction. That is, if a minus b is there, then first rule is find ones complement of the number to be subtracted. Then add ones complement of that number, that is b number or second number, in first number. Then third and fourth rule is very important. If carry is generated, then add it into answer, and if carry is generated, consider answer is positive. Then fourth rule was, if carry is not generated, then answer is negative and take ones complement of answer. So we have applied these rules and we have solved some examples. So here is one example for revision, that is 9 minus 4. Now 9 minus 4 is given into decimal number system, and 9 minus 4 is result is 5 in decimal, all of you know. So the procedure is given in this slide also. So we have to take first ones complement of 4. So before taking ones complement, we have to convert the given number into 4-bit binary numbers. So we have represented 4 in 4-bit binary, that is 0, 1, 0, 0. And we have taken the ones complement of that 0, 1, 0, 0. So ones complement of 0, 1, 0, 0 is 1, 0, 1, 1. Now this ones complement we have added into 9, and that 9 is represented in also 4-bit binary. So what is the 4-bit binary of 9? That is 1001, and in that we have added the ones complement of 4. That means 1011. Now see, we have applied binary arithmetic rule, binary addition rule. If 1 plus 1 result is 0, carry is 1. then that carry plus 0, answer is 1, carry is 0. Then 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. That carry plus 0, sum is 1. And finally 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. That means final carry is generated. And our third rule is, we have to apply third rule here, that is, if carry is 1, then we have to add that carry into answer and consider answer is positive. So that carry is taken and it is added into final answer. So it will give you 0 plus 1 1, and remaining bits write it as it is. So 0 1 0. So final answer is 0 1 0 1. This is the final result, which is nothing but equivalent to decimal 5. So our answer is correct with using subtraction using ones complement. So these are the some examples given for you. Solve these examples in your notebook. Perform the binary subtraction using ones complement. So this is for practice. Then we'll see how to find out the twos complement subtraction in this lecture. So how to find out twos complement, or how to do the binary subtraction using twos complement. First we'll see how to find out a twos complement number, how to find out twos complement of given number. Suppose one number is given to you, that is 0101, and you have to find out the twos complement of this number. So before finding twos complement, you have to know how to find out ones complement, and ones complement means replacing this 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So first we will write ones complement 1010. So this is the ones complement of given number, and if we add 1 to it, we will find twos complement. So 0 plus 1 is 1, this 1 will come as it is, this 0 will come as it is, this 1 will as it is, right? So this is the twos complement of given number. So finding twos complement means adding 1 to the ones complement. That's it. Now we'll perform the subtraction using twos complement. Now first we'll see the rules for twos complement subtraction. The rules are very simple. Here in slide also ones complement, twos complements is given for your reference, how to find out ones complement and twos complement. In previous slide also with one example it is shown that how to find out ones complement and twos complement. Then this is the table provided to you to find out ones complement and twos complement. You can see here. This is the reference table given. Now see the rules for subtraction using twos complement. The rules: if number A and B is given, if I want to subtract B from A, so first rule is find out twos complement of B. Find twos complement of B. Then second rule is add twos complement of B into A. Third rule is if carry is generated, ignore that carry, or discard that carry and consider answer is positive. So whenever carry is generated, consider always answer is positive. सो अगर कैरी जनरेट होता है तो उसको डिस्कार्ड करना है, इग्नोर करना है. वंस कॉम्प्लीमेंट में कैरी जनरेट हो रहा होगा तो हम ऐड करते थे. इसमें क्या करना है, इग्नोर करना है, डिस्कार्ड करना है, बट आंसर पॉजिटिव कंसिडर करना है. एंड इफ कैरी इज नॉट जनरेटेड, फोर्थ कंडीशन, इफ कैरी इज नॉट जनरेटेड, consider answer is negative and take 2's complement of final answer. Take 2's complement of final answer. So these are the very simple rules. If carry is generated, ignore that carry. If carry is not generated, consider answer is negative and take 2's complement of given answer. Sorry, final answer. Then we'll see the example. First example we'll see 9 minus 4. The result should be 5 in decimal, and we'll prove this result, that is 5 in decimal, with the help of binary subtraction using 2's complement. So first we have to convert this number into 4-bit binary. The 4-bit binary of 9 is 1001, and for 4 it is 0100. So we have to find out the 2's complement of this number, right? So first take 1's complement of this number, that is 1011. Then add 1 to it, it will give you 2's complement. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. This one will come as it is. So this is the 2's complement of B. B means 4. This is A. Right. Now we have to add this 2's complement with this A. That means 9. We have to add these and these. So perform the binary addition. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. Now the third condition appeared, that means carry is generated. You have to write a comment over here, carry is generated. Carry is generated. So answer is positive, and add carry into final answer. Add carry into final answer. Sorry, not adding, ignore carry or discard carry. Ignore or discard carry. Once again, sorry. If carry is generated in 2's complement subtraction, we have written rule over here. If carry is generated, ignore that carry and answer is positive. So we'll ignore this carry and we'll consider only this bits as an answer, 0101 to the base 2, which is equivalent to decimal 5. So this is the correct result we got with the help of 2's complement subtraction. So these are the some examples are given for your practice. We'll see 2-3 more examples so that you can easily understood how to do the binary subtraction using 2's complement. So first we'll see example. See the examples carefully and then try to solve the exercise which is given in this slide. So we have taken 12 minus 8. The result should be 4 in decimal. We have to prove this with the help of 2's complement subtraction. First we'll write 4-bit binary for this decimal numbers. This is A. 18 4-bit binary is like this. This is your B number. First find out the 2's complement of this number. So before calculating 2's complement, we must know 1's complement of this number. So 1's complement, 1 is replaced with 0, 0 is replaced with 1. We'll add 1 to it, which will give you 2's complement. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 1. So this is the 2's complement of B. You have to add this A with this 2's complement. So 1 1 0 0 plus 1 0 0. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. If carry is generated in 2's complement subtraction, ignore carry, discard carry, ignore discard carry, and consider answer is positive. Answer is positive. We have to write a comment every time. So we'll consider this as a answer 0100 binary, which is equivalent to decimal 4, means our result is correct. You can tally your answer by referring 4-bit binary table, which we have made in our notebook, which is explained in previous lecture how to make that 4-bit binary table. Now we'll see another example, that is 8 minus 12. The result should be minus 4 in decimal, and we will prove this minus 4 result with the help of 2's complement subtraction, right? So first, what is the procedure? We will convert this given decimal number into 4-bit binary. So this is A, this is B. We have to find out 2's complement of this number. First we'll write 1's complement, then we'll add 1 to it. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 sum 1, this 0 as it is. So this is the 2's complement of B number, that means this 12 ka, this is the binary of 12 and this is the 2's complement of 12. Now we will add this 2 complement with this A, means first number. So 1 0 0 0 plus 0 1 0 0. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. So condition is like carry is not generated. Carry is not generated. So answer is negative. Carry is not generated. Answer is negative. Take 2's complement of answer. Take 2's complement of answer. So first we'll find 1's complement of answer. This is the 1's complement of answer, and we'll add 1 to it, which will give you 2's complement of answer. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1, 1 plus 0 sum 1, this 0 as it is. So this is equivalent to decimal 4, but carry is not generated. That's why we will consider it as a minus 4. So we have proved we will get correct answer with the help of 2's complement subtraction. So follow the rules properly. The rules are given in this slide. Follow the rules properly and then solve examples. right? So we'll see another example for your practice, another 2-3 examples for your practice. 54 decimal minus 33 decimal. The result should be 21 in decimal, 21 in decimal, sorry. So first we will find the binary for this and for this. This is A, this is B. With the help of scientific calculus, you will easily find out the equivalent binary number. Also, I have taught you how to find out the binary number from decimal number. That will also help you to find out the binary equivalent of these decimal numbers. So binary equivalent of 54 is 110 110, and 33 1000 1. 1 4 times 0 1. So now we have to calculate ones complement of this. So ones complement of 33 is 0, 4 times 1, सॉरी एक जीरो यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं मैंने, सॉरी, 4 times 1 and final 0. So this is the ones complement of 33. I will add 1 to it. So this will give me 2's complement. 0 plus 1 1. This one will come as it is. This will as it is. Copy rest of the bits, add as it is. So this is the 2's complement of 33. We have to add this into this number. 110 110. That means 54. We'll add 2's complement of 33 to it. How many ones are there? 5 ones are there. 1 2 3 4 5. So add by applying binary arithmetic rules. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 0 sum 1 carry 0. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1 sum 0 carry 1. 0 plus 0 0. That means carry generated. Ignore carry. Carry is generated. Ignore carry. Consider answer is positive. Consider answer is positive. So this is the final answer into binary, which is equivalent to 21. You can check it with the method which I have taught you, or also you can use the calci to tell your answer. So this is equivalent to 21. Now we'll see next example. 33 minus 54. What we have done? We have just interchanged the position of numbers. So answer should be minus 21 in this case. So we will prove it with the help of 2's complement subtraction. So the binary equivalent of this number is 1 0 0 0 0, 4 times 0 and 1. For 54 it is 110 110. So we have to find out the 2's complement of this number. First we will write 1's complement, 0 0 1 0 0 1, 1's complement. We will add 1 to it. 1 plus 1 0, sum 1, sorry, carry 1. 1 plus 0 1. Rest of the bit write down as it is. So this is the 2's complement of 54. We have to add this 2's complement with this number. 1 4 times 0 1 plus 0 0 1 0 1 0. Perform binary addition. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. So carry is not generated. That means answer is negative. answer is negative, and take 2's complement of answer. Take 2's complement of answer. Writing this comment is necessary. So first take 1's complement of answer, that means 0 1 0 1 0 0. Add 1 to it. This will give you 2's complement of answer. 0 plus 1 1, 0 1 0 1, rest of the bit as it is. So which is equivalent to 21 in decimal, but carry is non-generated, that's why we are considering answer is negative. So it will give you the correct result like decimal operation if you follow the rules properly, apply the rules properly, write down the comments. If carry is generated, what will happen? If carry is not generated, what will happen? So these are the some example for your reference. Now these are the examples in slide. You have to solve this example in your notebook. Check your answers. Solve these examples. Now what is the BCD number? So BCD is another code, or some code is given to the numbers. BCD means binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. That means the BCD code can be used to represent each of the decimal digit as 4-bit binary. कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर आपको दिया है तो उसको क्या करना है, 4-bit बाइनरी में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. दैट 4-bit बाइनरी फॉर ईच digit in decimal number system is called as a BCD. That means if 495 number is given to you and this is the decimal number, so अगर बाइनरी कोडेड डेसिमल में लिखना है तो we have to represent each digit into 4-bit binary. So 4 in 4-bit binary is 0 1 0 0, 9 means 1 0 0 1, and 5 means 0 1 0 1. So this is the BCD number. Another one table will show you how to calculate decimal and BCD numbers. Decimal numbers and BCD numbers. Now decimal numbers and BCD numbers from 0 to 9 are same. 2 is same in BCD. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9 means for 0 to 9 you have to represent in 4-bit binary. So these are the 4-bit binary, but after 9 you have to represent each digit into 4-bit. मीन्स अगर डेसिमल 10 है तो उसको BCD में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है, 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. मतलब ये 1 के लिए 4-bit बाइनरी, ये 0 के लिए 4-bit बाइनरी. अभी 11 डेसिमल है तो हाउ यू विल रिप्रेजेंट इन BCD. फॉर दिस वन राइट 4-bit बाइनरी. For this one write down 4-bit binary, right? For 11 0 0 0 1, for 2 0 0 1 0. मीन्स 1 के लिए मैंने 4-bit अलग लिखे, 2 के लिए मैंने 4-bit अलग लिखे. तो माई 12 डेसिमल will look like this in BCD. So for 13 it is 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. For 14 it is 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. For 15 it is 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. For 16 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. Right. If I want to write down 375 in BCD, then I will write 4 bit for this, 4 bit for this, 4 bit for this. So representing each decimal digit into 4 bit binary is nothing but binary coded decimal or BCD. 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. So this is binary coded decimal. In next lecture we'll see how to perform the BCD addition subtraction. Then we'll see how to perform the BCD addition subtraction using 9's complement and 10's complement.